Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare kale and mango salad. This is one of my favorite salads and since mango is in season, I prepared this salad. Kale is very easily available in the market nowadays and I'll post the link where I purchased this kale. All the information will be in the description box below this video. I've started to clean the kale. I'm going to separate the kale leaves from the stem and wash it thoroughly, pat it dry with a towel, and I've reserved it in a bowl. These kale leaves are very easily available. The way you have to purchase kale leaves, it has to have that crunch and it should be nice and fresh. That is how you have to purchase kale leaves. I've prepped and reserved all my ingredients. The mango is peeled and cubed and reserved. So in a mixing bowl, I've added the washed kale leaves, cubed mangoes. Then I'll be adding salt, pepper, tiny amount of chili powder, lime juice, and I'm going to mix this thoroughly. You can use any oil here. You can use heated up sesame oil, groundnut oil, or you can use olive oil. I'm using olive oil. Now I'll combine all these ingredients well and I'm going to plate it. It's a very simple salad. You can put it together within few minutes once all your ingredients are prepped. Now I'll also be adding roasted and chopped nuts. I've used cashew nuts, walnuts and almonds. I've roasted it slightly, then crushed it, and I've topped the salad with the nuts. I'm going to be serving the salad right away. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends. All the links to my blog, social media and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.